how to draw the Oklahoma City Thunder logo. We are going to start off by drawing OKC through the middle of our page, first by drawing the O near the left side of the page. These letters are going to be a little bit boxy, so the O is going to look like a slanted rectangle with curved corners. Then in the middle, we are going to draw a tall rectangular shape for the middle of the O. Awesome job! Now to the right of that, we are going to draw the K. We will start with a straight line going up and down just to the right of the O. Then at the top of this line to the left, we are going to draw a small L shape. This will be for the top left corner of our K. Then we are going to draw a small straight line going to the right and a small line going straight down. This is going to make a square shape at the top for the corner of our K. Great job! Now we are going to draw a small diagonal line going up and to the right from where we left off. Then we are going to make the top right corner of the K by drawing a small line going to the right and then a backwards L going downwards from that. Awesome! Then we are going to draw the right side of our K by drawing two diagonal lines. Awesome! Now we are going to draw the bottom of our K. For this, we are going to draw a small straight line going inwards from either side of the two lines we drew with a small upside down V in the middle. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now we are going to draw the C to the right of that. For the C, we are going to draw a shape that looks similar to the outline of the O that we drew, but smaller, and it will not connect at the top right. Then we are going to go back where we started drawing the C and draw a small straight line going downwards, and then a small line going to the left, and then a C shape for the inside outline of the C, and then a straight line going to the right, connecting it all. Nice job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Our letters look great! Next, we are going to draw an outline around all three of these letters. We are going to keep the outline pretty close to the letters except near the left corner where we are going to have a little bit more space right here, as you can see. For the outline, we are also going to make small indents around the letters to make it look like it's outlining the letters well. So you could see in between the O and the K how the line goes downwards and comes to a point a little bit, as well as around the K and C. We're almost done with the outline, and don't worry if your outline looks a little bit different than mine, that's perfectly okay. Nice job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. We're all done drawing the outline around our letters. Next, we are going to draw a few shapes that are going to look like a shield behind the OKC. So we are going to start right above the O and draw a slightly curved line going downwards. Then we are going to pick up below the O, acting as if this line continues through, and draw a curved line going downwards to the right a little bit. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw a line similar to this one, but it is going to start to the right of the C and curve downwards, ending below the line that we just finished drawing. Nice job! Now we are going to draw another line exactly the same that will be right inside of this one, going downwards to the left, connecting to the other line that we drew on the left side. Then from the outside line on the right, we are going to draw the left side of the line, coming to a point at the bottom and going upwards, leaving that space where the O is, just like we did for the other line on the left. Awesome job! Now we are going to connect these lines at the top with a curved line connecting the two inside lines and then connecting the two outside lines. While Learn How to Draw Hub Crew, our drawings look awesome. Now we are going to draw one more shield-like shape around the two that we just finished drawing. We will start by drawing the curved line on the left side that connects to the O. And then we are going to draw the curved line on the right side that will go downwards and come to a point with the line that we drew on the left. Nice job! Now the final step of drawing this shield shape will be to draw the curved line around the top, connecting the two outer lines. Nice job, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew! We're about halfway done with drawing the Oklahoma City Thunder logo. Next, we are going to draw two lines inside of the smaller shield shape that we drew, and these two lines are going to go right here and down here. Nice job! Now we are going to draw a curved line inside of the shield that's going to go right around here. Then we are going to draw another curved line outlining the one that we just drew. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew! Next, we are going to draw all the detailed lines to make our basketball, which is going to be right behind the letters that we drew at the beginning. We will start by drawing a triangular shape below the C connecting to the curved line that we drew. Then right above this shape, we are going to draw the same shape but mirrored. This is going to connect to the outline right under the C and the curved line on the right. Then this line right here is going to act as if it goes all the way upwards, so we're going to draw the small part above the C connecting to the top outline. Then just to the left of that line at the top above the C, we are going to draw another small line. And similar to the other line, we are going to act as if this line goes all the way downwards, so we are going to draw a small line below the outline of the C. Then from that, we are going to draw a line going to the left and upwards, connecting to the outline again. Then just to the left of that, we are going to draw a small backwards L shape, connecting to the outline below the K. Then connecting to the curved line below the K, we are going to draw a shape similar to a trapezoid, and we are going to try to line the edges up with the shape above it. Awesome job! Now just to the left of that shape, we are going to draw another shape that looks very similar to it. Then to the left of that, we are going to draw a small triangle shape in the corner next to the outline of the letters. Awesome job! We just have a few more lines to draw to finish making the lines of our basketball. Following where this line is right here, we are going to go upwards and draw 2 lines above the outline of the K. Then we are going to do the same thing for this line right here, going upwards and drawing 2 more lines above the outline of the O that will curve to the left. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. We're almost finished. We just have a few final steps. We are going to draw 4 triangle-like shapes that are going to go right here, 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 and here. These are going to be long and skinny triangle-like shapes pointing to the outside of the page. This is how to draw the Oklahoma City Thunder logo. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big like below. And if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, check out our logos playlist where you could find more step-by-step drawing tutorials of logos in particular. And if you want to see our drawing all colored in, then make sure to stick around until the very end and you can pause the video to match your colors. Thanks for drawing with me. See you again next time. Learn How to Draw Hub Crew.
Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew. If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.